right, sorry about that, YouTube. Camera overheated. I'm back. Let's actually open the truck again. Show you guys the quick walk around of the Tesla Model 3 long range. I was trying to show y'all last time, but it does have the window sticker in here. Bam. Long range, all-wheel drive. Shit, this thing is nice. Very nice. I think we are still recording, correct? Correct? We're still recording? Yep, okay. I didn't see the red light on there. But yeah, for those that don't know, I'm Dorian. I like to go by DRWP for my channel. I do not usually make Tesla videos. Oh, actually, this is a 2025 Tesla Model 3. Excuse me. I was looking up 2024 Model 3 long range specs. This is actually a 2025. Excuse me. I stand corrected. Alright. Key climb mode enabled. Wait a second. AC, yes. Alright. Put the seatbelt back on. And we're gonna continue. GoPro overheated on the last vid. So my apologies. But we're gonna get straight back into it like we never left. Make sure the AC is blowing good enough for me. Well, for the GoPro. Because yeah, that's another thing with the GoPros, man. They can overheat. Yes, they can. You gotta have a lot of airflow. And the Tesla, well, it's not Tesla's fault. It was my fault. Because I didn't adjust the AC. So GoPro overheated on me. We are nearing the end of this demo, so I'm gonna go ahead and see how far away it is. Okay, horn does work, because at first it wasn't working, or I just couldn't hear it. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my gosh, I end up, bro. Dude, that torque is crazy, man. It is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, 0 to 60 is brutal in this thing. I cannot lie. Whew. It's addicting though, bro. You want to constantly just step on the gas. Well, let me not say gas, just say pedal. This is not a ICE vehicle. That's what they want to call it. ICE vehicles, internal combustion engines, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so actually we're not too far from where we're supposed to be anyway. And let me actually adjust this. It's not a 2024, it's a 2025. So the 2025 long range, let's just stop at the light first and then I'm gonna look at it. And plus, on the other hand too, I don't have to actually drive. Shoot, the thing can do it for me. That's the beauty of it all. So where is the horsepower and other specs on here? It's not showing me anything. All right, yeah, let's just put in HP. So it has 394, still the same amount, 394 and 377 pound-feet of torque. Whew. And the, wait a second, the single motor, that's a single motor on long range. Just the dual motor long range. For those that didn't see the, or have seen the previous video, or have not seen the previous, I can't even freaking talk. Here it is. There's the specs. Model 3, long range. We just seen the other one in the back seat. I mean, the window sticker in the back seat. It is an all-wheel drive. For those people that have a Tesla, you guys can understand all those software updates and all that good stuff like that. Me, I don't. I don't have one. This is not my, well, you know, I want to say this no, it's not my first time at all. Well, this is probably my first time driving in 2025. I think I did drive the one that came out in 2024. So, yep. Glove box, that's cool. Can it close by itself? Nope, it cannot. All right. It does have a magnet though, so that's good. Oh my gosh, the torque is insane. The torque is insane. 377. Shoo, feel more like over 400. I cannot lie. Tesla might have lied on this one a little bit. Ooh. Hey, I know you Tesla guy like, oh man, he's overreacting all over the long range. It's nothing. Wait until you try the performance. I believe you. I believe you guys. I really do. I really do, man. I'm gonna test out the performance, and you guys get my reaction on that one too. But yeah, this car is nice, bro. I mean, you know, if you get in a Tesla, majority of the time people are not looking to just, what was that, to race people or anything like that. I guess I got in the other lane a little bit. Yeah, majority of the time people that's doing this, getting the Tesla, they're not getting it for, you know, to race other people to be the fastest. That's just you know, a pro of having the car, of being faster than the majority of people on the road. But I know majority of the time people get this for the technology, the convenience of it, you know, not having to drive it, and it's just